Last week, we told you about an intent to sue the Columbia County Sheriff's Office after a man's leg was mauled by a canine deputy. Attorneys for 21-year-old Martinezz Bowman say since then there's been a flood of complaints against the law enforcement agency and even protests. Attorney Christopher Jackson spoke with our Ken Amaro about how this may change the scope of his lawsuit. He joins us live now with more tonight.
That's correct, Jeannie. The law firm is here in Jacksonville, the case in Columbia County. Nevertheless, the reaction kind of surprised the lawyers who are involved in this case. Attorney Christopher Jackson is with the law firm representing Martinezz Bowman since the notice of intent was filed a few days ago against the Columbia County Sheriff's Office. The law firm has received a number of complaints. As we see the body cam from the Columbia County Sheriff's Office showing how the deputies followed Bowman in his car, pursuing him after a taillight issue, and at what point they released the canine on him. Since the airing of this video, some residents of Columbia County have reached out to the law firm to say they too have been harassed or mistreated by local law enforcement. Attorney Jackson tells me that this gives them an eye-opening view of how sheriff deputies as well as Lake City Police Department react with citizens of their community.
The individuals who are claiming these protections must serve on their landlord and file with the court a CDC declaration if they qualify for the order's protections, and that's imperative. If they don't file their declarations, if they qualify for them, the evictions will go forward. So you have to trigger those protections.
Well, that is clearly not Attorney Jackson, but nevertheless, Mr. Jackson was surprised by the results. And so coming up tonight at 6, we'll hear what some of the residents say was their experience with law enforcement. Also, yesterday, there was a protest in front of the Lake City City Hall. I'll tell you what the results of that protest was. Back to you.
Ken Amaro, thank you. Now